8th graders, this is to help you with question 7 on CR 29. It says, determine the solution of any to the following system of equations. When you have a system of equations, you'll either have two lines that cross at a single point, and where they cross, that would be the solution. You might have a pair of parallel lines, then they'd have no solution. And you might have a line that, like, once you graph it and then graph the other line, you realize the lines coincide. The lines are actually the same when graphed. And that would be infinitely many solutions. So those are the three types. So that's why they say determine the solution, if any. So what we're going to do is we're going to use addition elimination. That's just the easiest way to solve a system when you have your x's and y's both on one side and your constants on the other side of the equal sign. So for addition elimination, we need to get one set of coefficients attached to our variables to match with opposite signs. So as I look here, if I took this second equation and I multiplied each term by 4, that would allow, this is positive 12x, that would get me to my negative 12x, and those would then be able to be eliminated. So as I try this, my first equation stays the same. 12x minus 4y equals 12. Now I distribute a 4 through that second equation to each term. That gives me negative 12x plus 4y equals 4 times 9 is 36. All right, at this point, well, maybe I won't say. I already know whether or not there's a solution, but let's just continue on. Let's do our addition elimination. So if I add these two equations together, my hope would be to eliminate one of the variables. I'm eliminating all the variables. 12x minus 12x, that zeroes out. Negative 4y plus 4y, that zeroes out. So when I add this side together, I get 0 equals 36 plus 12 is 48. Does 0 equal 48? No, that's a false statement. Therefore, there's no solution. Okay? Had there been a solution, I would have been able to still have a variable here. But 0, this whole side zeroes out when we do addition elimination. This side I get 48. That's false. That means no solution. I hope that helps.